Hi, Scruffy. Hi, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing on Mommy's bed, huh? Hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Can I come in close? This is my little dog, Scruffy. As you can see, she's laying on her. Actually, this is her Christmas blanket. I buy her one for every holiday. This one was Christmas. And she's in the bedroom laying on it. She's like a little spoiled princess. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Mommy. Come here. Come to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Oh, she's stretching. Hi. Hi, little pudding pop. Say hi to the camera. Okay, that's a little too close, sweet pea. Okay. Okay, can you sit up? Good girl. Good girl. She's sitting up. That's a good dog. That's what she does when she wants something. She likes to beg. That's a good girl. That's a good mommy. Let's do it this way. Good girl. Woo, good puppy. Yeah, that's a good doggy. You want a snack? Huh? You want a snack? Oh, you're stretching? Okay. Alright. Well, that'll be it for now. Okay?